Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and today I'll show you top 5 tips that you can use when you have this smartphone. So there's my top 5 tips. So at the first we are going to start with the quick launch on the fingerprint sensor. So take a look. You have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for the configuration tools, find quick launch, and as you can see at the first we have to turn on this switcher to enable the quick launch, and there we got the description that when you touch and hold the fingerprint sensor until icons appear, we'll be able to open apps quickly. So I'm going to tap on the plus and I'm going open, maybe I would like to quickly open Google Maps. So I'm going to add it here, and as you can see we got 2, 4, 5 apps that we can use, or 5 or functions. As you can see, we can for example go for the Google search right here, and to confirm we have to tap here. And take a look right now. When I'm going to the lock screen, it will be the always on display, and we have to click hold. Oh, let's make it another time. Click and hold it, and as you can see right now we can quickly open application, for example the Google Maps. So there's the first useful thing that you can use in this phone. Only can go quickly for the Google search. Another option will be very cool Ambient Display unlock counter. So take a look. We have to open the settings, find the personalization. Of course at the first we have to open the Ambient Display and set it for the all day. Go for the personalization after that, tap on the clock on the Ambient Display and switch for this one, then click apply. Take a look right now, and displays will get how many times we unlock our smartphone. So in my case it's 81 times. There it is, this cool Ambient Display. The another option will be with the camera. So when you open the camera and then go for the settings, you can find this option called the shotting methods, and when you enable this option, use gestures to take photo. When you go for the front camera and then show the palm of your hand, as you can see you can quickly take the selfie, and there it is. Okay, another option will be also with the camera. You have to tap on the settings in the right upper corner, and you can change the volume button function. So as you can see currently it's set up on the shutter, but we can go for the zoom and take a look how great it works. When you press volume up or volume down button, you can smoothly zoom in. Take a look. Or zoom out by pressing only one button. So it's definitely much easier than pinching screen with 2 fingers like that. And it goes also very smooth. And the last option is also with the camera. So we have to go back to the settings, and here we can find the quick launch of the camera. So take a look, we can go for the advanced settings and then enable the quick launch gesture. Right now when you go for the lock screen and double press volume down button, we can quickly open the camera. So I think that's even more useful than this option, because it works faster. So when you want to quickly open the camera, definitely use this gesture. And right now we are able to quickly take photos. So as you can see, that's the 5 tips. For me, the best tips, things that you can use in the OnePlus Nord 2 5G. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.